Whenever I'm using CapCut and I just minimize it for a second for do another thing and open it again, it just throws an ad on my face. So I've discovered the easiest way to deal with it without paying any money and without buying its pro subscription. And that is, you have to first of all close the CapCut application and open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. Don't worry, we are not gonna install any third-party applications. And after that, go to this search button and go to this search bar and write here CapCut and hit the search button. And when this CapCut application appears up, you have to tap on it and you have to first of all update your CapCut video editor. If your CapCut is not up to date, keep in mind that this is the first step. This is not gonna work if you do not update it. So after updating, you are done with the first step. The last and final step is when you open CapCut and you are working in it, just turn off your internet and do all the editing you are doing. Now when your internet is turned off and you minimize your CapCut application and open it again, now CapCut will not display any ads, and even if it does, that ad will only be of 4 to 5 seconds. Now the problem is you need internet at some places while editing your videos. For example, I want to apply this transition. Now it is asking for internet. So the solution is you have to turn on the internet for only 1 second, do the work that you have to do with internet, and after that just turn off the internet again and continue your work. In this way there will be two advantages. The first is you will not see any ads while using CapCut when your internet is turned off, and the second advantage is you will stay focused in your video editing and you will not open any other apps again and again and you won't be distracted. So that's it. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.